Hi everyone, just thought we'd take a minute to show you how we put together this roof rack for our 2016 Volkswagen Crafter, which is in fact a Mercedes Sprinter. We had a pretty good plan of how we wanted the roof system to look and what we wanted to mount to it, but still wanted to be able to add or change things in the future. The off-the-shelf options for these vans were hundreds and in some cases thousands of pounds to buy, so we took a different approach as our van did not have the mounting rails from the factory. We started off by taking a caliper to measure the existing channels in the roof. It turns out these grooves are exactly the right size to take a construction product called Unistrut, which in Europe is available everywhere very cheaply. It's used for structural brackets and mountings. If you look up in any warehouse or office, you'll see loads of it holding up the lights and aircon. In the UK, we found a great place to source it and other metalwork is Direct Channel, linked to their website in the description. We bought 4 3-metre lengths of light-duty channel to do everything we wanted. We purchased the galvanised version as it was obviously going to be living outside for the rest of its life. We also bought the bolts, washers and special captive nuts required for the job. All of these came in packs of 100, so if anyone in London wants the other 88 of everything we didn't use, let us know. We painted the 3-metre lengths of Unistrut channel white to match our van, but I guess if you had the silver van, you would just leave it bare metal. So to start the installation, Mercedes and Volkswagen kindly already drilled the holes in the factory and then filled them with these small plastic caps. We started by marking out using tape how many of these holes we needed to expose in order to attach the Unistrut. It's pretty easy to remove the caps, but you're going to need a heat gun or a hairdryer. Once the plastic is heated, you can get them out with a flat screwdriver. It does leave a very sticky residue, which you can clean off with degreaser or any other product. In our case, there was some exposed bare metal left behind, so we painted these spots with a direct metal paint. We covered each hole with sealant, as we really didn't want to ever have to revisit this because of leaks. There are a few options for sealant, but we used Sikaflex EBT, which is specifically designed for this use. We'll put a link to that in the description also. Then, when it was time to put it all together, we added rubber washers between the Unistrut and the van, as we did not want the metal to rub and eventually rust. lined up 3-meter lengths and then put nylock nuts on from the inside of the van. Then, for good luck, we added more Sikaflex sealant to that. With all that done, the easy bit of just bolting the Renogy solar panels was straightforward, using special captive nuts that sit within the track of the Unistrut. Overall, this was pretty easy, and the setup gives us the flexibility to completely change this in the future, and literally anything can be bolted to the Unistrut channel in any location on the roof. The cost of all the materials was less than £50, which is crazy compared to the off-the-shelf options for van roof racks. And in total, this took us around 3 hours to install. And I think anyone could do this. It doesn't require any special skills. Hopefully this helps others with their van conversions, as we could not find any videos that showed the whole process. Remember to like and subscribe, as there's more videos coming.